fun and I have no makeup on. I mean business. I have to crack a bubbly for this one.
Mama.
Okay, y'all, here's the situation. Tomorrow is my 2 younger daughters' family birthday party. So that means there are 16 people coming to my house. And as you saw from my video, my house is a complete and utter disaster. There's toys everywhere. There's dishes in the sink. I have mounds of laundry to put away. And I want to do some spring deep cleaning in the living room. If you haven't seen my kitchen spring deep clean, definitely check that out because that was a really good, satisfying clean and it makes me feel so much better. But now I really need to do the living room. Also, it's a snow day today, so my kids are home, all 3 of them. Exhibit A. So I need to work around my kids because they're watching TV at the moment. Don't worry, I spent 40 minutes playing with each of them this morning, so they're good. Enough blabbing, I gotta get going, so let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full living room spring clean and decorating for Olivia and Reese's birthday party. And of course all 3 kids are home because it is a snow day, because what would Canada in March be without a snow day? So if you hear chaos in the background or you see my kiddos in the background, just know that we are doing our best over here with all 3 of them being home. I am a mom first, so of course I need to tend to my kids and play with them and feed them and all of the things. But I am doing as much as I can in between to prep for the 16 people that are coming to my house the day after this video. So the first thing that I always like to start with is the living room. So I just need to pick up everything off the floor, give the couch a really good vacuum because my kids do sometimes eat their snacks on the couch. I am guilty of letting them do this and the crumbs just get stuck so badly in these little crevices. And yeah, so the couch desperately needed a good cleaning. And then of course we are vacuuming to get anything that has fallen down. Y'all don't laugh at me, but I had to move the couch to the best of my abilities to vacuum behind here, and it was so gross. But the couch is an L-shaped couch and it's connected at these points, so it was very difficult for me to move by myself. If my husband was home, I totally would have got him to help me, but I didn't do too bad. I got in there enough that I could clean behind the couch, which was very much needed. And then this is honestly not just a light cleaning. We are doing a full deep clean. I'm wiping down the walls, cleaning the blinds, which honestly needed it so bad. And then I'm going to wash the carpets after. I really feel like this is the kind of cleaning you don't do every week, but when you do, it makes the biggest difference. There's actually dust on walls, and this can make everybody's allergies worse. And it's just good to do every once in a while. I probably only do this, I'm not going to lie, like twice a year. Maybe I should be doing it more. Let me know in the comments below if you guys wash down your walls and how often you do that. But I thought for spring cleaning the living room, this was definitely much needed. Okay, I don't know what it is about freshly cleaned carpets, but it just makes the whole house feel brand new. With kids and a dog, it's definitely needed more often than I would like to admit. Now, this is something that I do every couple of weeks, and the water always turns out so disgusting. It will shock you if you start shampooing your carpets how much dirt and dust actually lives inside your carpets. It's disgusting and it would blow your mind.
Now it's time to take a break. Roll too hard. Oh, well, now we can't be tamed.
Buried in the snow.
That's hilarious. Get it, Bobby. Get it.
Mom, we gotta go.
Get it. Get that balloon.
One of my favorite things to do is actually throwing all of the pillow covers and the throw blankets in the wash. I feel like this should be done way more often than I do it, but when it's done, they just feel so much softer and cleaner, and I really think it just freshens up the couch. And I could not stop feeling this. It was so soft after it came out of the wash and the dryer. So definitely, if this is not something you have done, take off the pillow covers and put the throw blankets and the pillow covers in the wash. It makes a world of a difference. Now it is time to declutter the dining room. So the girls had their school friends party the weekend before, and there were like 20 kids, not at our house, but we rented out their dance studio, and it was so much fun. The kids had a blast, but they got so many presents, and sometimes after big things like birthdays and Christmas, I get a little bit overwhelmed, and I just leave like all their presents in the dining room so that they can just play with them over the next few weeks, and then eventually I put them away. So that's kind of what I was doing here. And then it was time to decorate and get ready and into the birthday mode. The kids were super excited, which also means that they were getting slightly more chaotic when the balloons came out, but that's just part of the fun. And I honestly cannot believe how fast they're growing. Doing these little setups for them just means so much to me, and I actually have so much fun doing it. It doesn't have to be perfect at all, but I think that they just appreciate the little things, and it's just so much fun for me to do. I love when they pick a theme and we go with that theme, and I never go crazy or spend a ton of money, but it just makes it a really fun. And now it's time just to add a couple little Easter decorations around the house. I don't go crazy with Easter decorations. I just have a couple little bunnies here and there that I put out, and then that's kind of it. So I was just putting that out because I thought it would be an appropriate time since Easter is like 2 or 3 weeks away. So I just put out a couple of bunnies, as you saw, and then I accidentally exploded one of the confetti balloons. So I'm just vacuuming up all the little confetti pieces that literally got everywhere on my carpet.
Okay, so I decided to move the table over here, and we would do buffet style because there's too many people coming to fit at the table. So you just have balloons and the little axolotl sides. Everything I got was from Amazon. It was super cheap compared to party stores. And then you guys saw we have the balloon garland, and we'll put presents along here. So we have all the chairs, and then up here usually we put some more chairs for people just to sit. We put the cakes up here. There's the loot bags for my nieces and nephews, and there's another happy birthday axolotl sign, and then I have some balloons there. But yeah, looks good. And the meat man.